Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So if you are new here, thank you for stopping by, and if you are a returning subscriber, you are welcome and feel at home. So today I had promised to do a demo of using this pressure cooker once I learn to use it. So today is the day, so let's learn together. So it comes with this is the cable that you use to connect to the power source of power. So this is the lid now. So it has this lock and unlock indicator. You will see how it locks when I lock it and how it unlocks. So this is the exhaust, same as this one. So with this one you can control it. If you don't want it to exhaust the pressure while you are cooking, you make sure you close it completely. You close it completely like that. So when it is fully closed, it won't exhaust the pressure while you are cooking. You will see that in the demonstration. So it has this inner part with this rubber like, I think it is the one that makes it tight there. So this one is removable. You remove it while you are washing. So you remove and wash it that way. So you remove and wash this, and as well wash this, then you return, because after cooking it will have the particles of what you are cooking all around. So you remove it and wash it, then it just goes back simply like that. On to the next, it has this is the sufuria where you put what you want to cook. So you put the content of what you want to cook in this and some water. I think that is basic. Then this is the pressure cooker itself. This is how it looks inside. So this is the coil, and this is where the sufuria sits. So if you look at it, it has some writings here. Yeah, it has some writings here. So this is from BOSCH, that is the company. Then this is an indicator. It will indicate the timer when it is cooking. This is preset, when you want to preset what you are cooking. Here you use to select the pressure that you want. If you want high, medium, or micro pressure. Then this one is for selecting tests. Sorry, rich, standard, and refreshing. So on this lower part, it has selection of what you are cooking. So if you're cooking rice, you will simply press rice. If you're making soup, you press soup. If you're making ribs, you press ribs. Then it will select the timing itself. This one selects the timing itself. Then if it is meat, you simply put your meat here, press meat, then cover it. It will time itself, and it will stop when the meat is ready on its own. When you want to bake beans, yeah, so that's the basic. So we'll demonstrate with beef and see how it goes. So let me prepare the beef, then I come back. So the beef is here, so you can boil it with whichever procedure you normally use. So I've put salt, the garlic, clove, and ginger, and that is onion. So you don't have to put a lot of water, just enough water, maybe at the same level or slightly above the meat level. So we will put it here. Yeah, so you put it inside there. Then after that, it is now time to close it. So you close it that way, then you rotate. If you check here, it is indicated open and close. So we want to close. We bring it to this direction because we want to close it. So it is closed. So if you notice, if you are keen enough, you'll notice this thing disappears. When you close, it goes inside. When it is open, it will pop outside. Like so. When it is open, it pops. When you close, it goes back in. So that one will show you, it will show you that it is locked. It is nicely locked. So it is time to connect the power. There also is indicated where you put the cable. It is indicated. So it is time to start cooking now. So you turn on. You have heard the sound. Hope you have heard the sound. It will automatically turn on like this. So it is 0, 0. So you select what you want to cook. So it is meat. You press meat. You see it has selected the temperature itself and the timing itself. And there it goes. It is cooking. So let's give it some time. When it starts to boil, I'll record you here if it is exhausting the pressure as loud as the other one or not. Yeah. The timer was 14. Now it has reached 0.4. I don't know if you can see it well. Here it is silent. It is not exhausting the pressure. It's not making noise like the other one. So let's wait. Now it is at 0.3. It is P 0.3. So it is at P 0.1. So let's hear the sound it will produce when it is done. So you can hear the sound. So it is done cooking. I guess it is now time to exhaust. So it is ringing, I think, 3 times. Yeah. At this state, it is at holding state. It is holding the temperature. So if you want it to stop, you press here, this cancel. You have seen what has happened. It has gone to 0, 0. Put it off from the power source. You turn this to the exhaust position so that it can release the pressure. You can hear? And so it has finished. So no more pressure. If this can come out, so there is no more pressure. So it is time to open it. So you're opening it. Yay! And then beef is here. So you can see the water remains the way it was, so you don't have to put a lot of water. So let me test if it is cooked. So that's how the pressure cooker operates. So when you want to remove this sufuria from here, don't use your hand to touch it because it is hot. So you can use a piece of cloth or your kitchen towel to pull it out like that, and that one remains that way. We are done cooking. So washing, the way I already mentioned, you remove this and wash. So that's how it operates according to how I learned it. Thank you for watching.